Do you guys know this OLL case? Watch this shit. No, that video was not sped up. And, in my opinion, that's probably not as fast as he could do it. What's up, guys? My name is Joey, and today I'm going to be telling you how you can execute all 57 OLLs just like that. So, if you're excited to learn how to do that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay to the end of the video. What I'm going to be showing you guys today is stuff you cannot find in any other YouTube tutorial. What I'm going to be showing you guys is a comprehensive guide that contains tons of ways to finger trick OLLs like that. It includes a variety of special algorithms and design finger tricks that can make you almost sub-1 all of your OLLs. Along with all that, it contains tons of PDFs with different F2L cases, edge control cases, winner variation VLS, a better way to do your cross entirely, and it also contains much more, which I will discuss later. So you're probably thinking to yourself right now, Joey, can you shut up and just tell me what it is? Don't worry, I will. It is speedcubingsolution.com. So what is speedcubingsolution.com? Well, it is a program with over 13 hours of videos, 5 PDF action guides that are crucial to your improvement, a private Discord to discuss with other members of Speedcubing Solution, bi-weekly Q&A live streams with Jaden McNeil, who I will get to later, and also unlimited email coaching with Jaden McNeil. Before I go any further, I know some of you know who Jaden McNeil is, but for the people who don't, he's basically one of the greatest. I remember a couple years ago sitting in science class looking at the WCA website, and I found sum of ranks, which if you don't know is basically a sum of all either singles or averages ranks, and obviously the lower the score the better, and Jaden McNeil sat at the top of that. So when I say you get a year of unlimited coaching from him, that's a pretty sweet fucking deal. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, okay, that sounds cool and all, but how do I know it works? I mean, how do I know it would work for me? Well, the proof is in the performance. In the description, I have linked their website, and you can see testimonials from people like Brody the Cuber and JR Cuber, who have both done this program and experienced immaculate time changes. And I can already hear you guys saying,
wow, Joey, that's super rad, but how does this relate to me finger tricking that OLL from the beginning better?
Well, I'm going to explain. Not only will you be able to finger trick that specific OLL better, OLL 34, but you will be able to finger trick mostly all of the OLLs better. This is because in over the 13 hours of video lessons during the unlimited coaching you get with Jaden McNeil and the 5 PDF action guides, there's plenty of content on OLL finger tricking, different OLL algs, different PLL algs, different PLL finger tricks, different F2L algs, different F2L finger tricks. It is a wide variety of mostly unknown information packed into one guide, one program. And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys and say, oh, it's just a walk in the park. You just kind of do a few videos and you see results. You have to put in the work, but I can promise you, if you put in the work, you will see results. And if you happen to not see results, there is a 1-year warranty where you can get your full money back. Now, I just brought up paying for it and about 75% of you scattered. But if you're still left and you want to know how much it costs, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's $297 for the main package. But I believe that if you're willing to put in the work and spend the time, that $297 is completely worth it. Not only do you get well over $297 of content, you will get over $297 worth of results. And it does not matter whether you are sub 30, sub 60, or sub 10. There is a program and videos for everyone to get faster. You would really have to be Felix fucking Zemdegs to not get faster. And I really feel if he did this program, he would also get faster. I've linked down below the link to the website and a link to Jaden's Instagram and his YouTube channel, so you can check out what he's all about, what he does, and do some research on this program. And I highly suggest that you purchase. I want to give a quick shout out to Jay and Chandler for sponsoring this video and helping make it possible. And that's about it from me. So remember to subscribe, remember to like. I have a video with a GAN 11M Pro giveaway coming out soon. So stay tuned for that. You're going to want to subscribe. You're going to want to see that. There are many ways to enter, many ways to win. Stay tuned.